Right here we have two 1/32 scale Chevy Impalas. These are the, I think, like a 2012, maybe 2010 model. Again, 32nd scale. These started out, one of them was a Baltimore Police Department, the other was a Miami Police Department. As you can tell, the decals have been removed. Jacksonville Sheriff's Department decals on there now, with the two officers that ordered the vehicles. You can see the names on the fenders. Proper vehicle numbers on the roof, antenna. Built one of these a while back for another deputy. Exactly the same, other than, like I said, unit numbers, and then also names on the fenders. Now with these, you'll notice the blues are on the left on these cars. Again, I mentioned it before, anytime I have a department like there's only like 3 different departments I've built that are that way. Makes it difficult to remember everything. You get so used to doing them a certain way. And you know, build one of these, or a Dover Police Department, and there was another one out west, I think, that has the blue over the left. So anyway, just gotta pay attention to what you're doing. Anyway, decal all up. Again, you can see proper decaling all the way around. Again, a little stubby antenna on the roof. Interiors are the same as the ones that you guys saw from a couple years ago that I built. Let's go ahead and close the doors and trunk. The batteries on these are located inside the car. You'll notice there's 2 screws right here in the front and rear. Take those out, and then you can just lift this black off of the car, and there's a little battery holder right here. A little small Phillips screwdriver will take care of that. Take that off. They're AG13s. I'll send a couple extra sets of batteries with these, with each one, for you guys. Again, we had the doors, windows open, wired identical. A little black switch here in the back. Just press this once. Starts everything going. You see your headlight strobes, red and blue strobe on the front dash. Again, those are triple strobe on the dash there. You can't really pick it up maybe with a camera, but they are triple strobe. Oh, kind of picking it up pretty decent right there. Headlights are just single strobe, as is the light bar on the roof. And then the rear deck lights, triple strobe as well, and then strobe tail lights. Again, both of them are identical. Go ahead and turn this one on as well. I went ahead and added the best you can do with what you have to work with. The trim rings on the wheels are supposed to be chrome. Obviously, anybody that's ever tried to find chrome paint, there's no such thing. They call it chrome, and it all turns out to be aluminum looking. So, but anyway, as close as you can get them. So there we have it. Appreciate the orders. Like I said, get settled up on the invoice, and I'll get these mailed out to you guys. Again, I appreciate it, and you guys be safe. Thank you.